You boo, and since we're all together, you can celebrate it too. Ho ho ho, you boo boo, check out the you boo things we do. Come join in our tradition, now we're going to you boo. It's great to be together and to spend it here with you. Ho ho ho, you boo boo, so many you boo things to do. Ho ho ho, you boo boo, getting you boo is fun to do.
Rob, we're in trouble. The storm brought down the solar copter on a ledge near Stompers.
The snow monkey still needs to be saved, but now we do too.
Don't worry, I'll be right there.
Ranger that, Rob.
Chipper, action mode. Oh, right. Chipper's still charging. Ranger boots, snowshoes.
Charge not complete, Ranger Rob. Fly mode cannot be activated.
We'll have to drive, but your lights are too dim to see.
Don't worry, Rob. I have just the thing. I've always wanted to say that.
Perfect. Thanks, Stomper. I'll be back, Yubu, soon. I'll be right there, Mom and Dad. We've got to get you charging again. Chipper, deploy chargers. Now, Ranger hat, helmet mode. Ranger boots, ice cleats. Rob! Hi, Mom and Dad. I have just the thing. Ranger kit, grappling hook.
Good job, Rob.
The solar copter slid down the slope. Its rotors are too close to the rocks to be able to start it up again.
Hey, the sun's out, which means Chipper should be charged up. Only one way to find out. Chipper, action mode.
Ready for action, Ranger Rob. Sufficiently recharged.
Great.
Roger that.
Chipper, turbo boost. Saving the day the Ranger way.
Rob doing a rescue? Now that's a Big Sky Park tradition.
And now that the storm's cleared, we can get back to Christmas.
Thanks. But since you're here, I really want to show you what Yeti Yubu is like.
Well, that would be great.
But I also want to show my Yeti friends what Christmas is like. If only we could celebrate them together.
We had an inkling you might say that, so we packed up some things from the ranger station.
Ta-da!
What? Thanks, Mom and Dad. Good Ranger knows that the best holiday is the one you share together. Nothing like a holiday in Big Sky Park.
Отын шүмәлімін сона. Фильм Қазақстан Республикалық телеарнасында артелелі қолды тасы суынша алала тастаған 2003 жыл.